PDFStandardizer is an all-in-one PDF and color pre-flight and standardization tool designed for graphic professionals who would like to have full control and guarantee of the quality of their PDF files. PDFStandardizer as a product is a combination of Enfocus Bits Observer and all-one CMYK optimizer with Enfocus Switch as a backbone. The main advantage of PDFStandardizer as a product are the automatic installation and user-friendly wizard to configure your flows, color management within reach of any skill level, the embedded all-one award-winning dynamic color management flattening and rasterizing technology, the Enfocus Bitsub library embedded for PDF pre-flighting, an easy integration within any existing workflow system, instant compliancy with ISO standards, and the Gantt PDF workgroup specifications. First of all, let's examine a typical PDF file coming in that needs to be standardized. Is, for instance, this one that I've opened right now. If we take a look at the highlight of the ink coverage, that highlights anything above 300%, so we see that we definitely have a problem. If I pre-flight this with a PDFX profile, which gets it down to the PDFX 1A standard, the pre-flight report will show next to several PDFX problems, such as the PDFX version is incorrect. There is definitely some transparency, JPEG 2000 filters are used, ICC based. So if we're looking to use this PDF file in a PDFX 1A, so a PDF version 1.3 workflow, we definitely have a problem. Now we're going to create a new flow in PDFStandardizer using the Create New Flow icon and then selecting the PDFStandardizer option. That will open the wizard which will guide us through the different steps that are needed to standardize and correct your files. So you click through the wizard with using the next buttons. So first of all, our files are coming, for instance, from Europe. We allow any document, both single as multi-page, going through. We want to standardize, so we're not going to use any of the embedded profiles or rendering intents. Output files are also, we're based in Europe, so again I'm going to select Europe. So I click next again, the buttons on the bottom right. We're doing a normal CMYK sheet fed offset, so we're going to convert all our colors to CMYK as well. Then we work with a wood-free coated gloss or matte paper, and we want to standardize our files, so check and correct. Also, during the process, we would like to flatten and or rasterize our files, and basically we're going to check the TAC with a level of 300%. You could also use the 329, which is suggested by the ICC profile. Then we get a summary of what we've actually configured. We have an option to decide where we want to put the root folder. So if I click OK, it shows me the root folder. If I click on the Show in Finder, it will actually pop up and see that there are 3 folders, error, in, and output, located on that folder path. So I click on Done, and then the wizard is going to create the flow for us. Once the wizard is done, the file will open in PDFStandardizer and it's completely configured for you. So depending the 10 different questions or the 10 different answers you gave to the questions, the flow is created for you. We can activate the flow, which gives us like the activation mode, the gray background with a count on each element. So now we can actually put a file in there. So I'll do a drag and drop. So I'll put the file that we've previously inspected into the in folder. The in folder is like a hot folder that will take in any file after a certain amount of time, as you can see right now. And this file is now going to the pit stop check. The pit stop check is going to do a pre-flight check on any file that's coming in and will error out any file that already has a severe error which cannot be fixed. If the file is correctly pre-flighted, it goes towards the CMYK optimizer, where all the color management, flattening, and ink optimization is done using All1's CMYK optimizer. Once that is done, it goes to the PDFStandardizer certification element, where a certified PDF is created and again pre-flighted against the specifications that were created depending on the answers that you've given in the pre-flight. We have 2 successful output files in the output folder. Any error files are routed to a different part of the flow on any part of that flow to make sure that those files are not getting through towards the success output. So now we can click on the output, open in Finder, and we'll find the files automatically. Now I will compare the original with the new one, so I'll open that as well. I'll tile them nicely vertically next to each other, and immediately the file on the right is the processed file. You see the difference on the TAC levels, which is highlighted in red on the left, which is completely gone on the right side. Also, if we highlight only the black plate, you immediately see a difference in detail, which means that the ink optimization with the TAC level using the CMYK optimizer definitely did its job to make sure that the black plate has the correct detail. Now, every pre-flight it also gets, or every file going through the PDFStandardizer flow gets a report. One part of the report is the pitstop server or pitstop library report, which shows you all information about the PDF. And then we have the CMYK optimizer report, which will give you the fixes. For instance, we'll highlight the fixes that have been done during the session. Also some other information about the PDF file itself, about the TAC levels, and then finally about color management policies. For more information and a 30-day trial of PDFStandardizer, go to all1color.com or nfocus.com.